Here we have an Audi Q2. Now the car is a 1.4 litre TFSI S-Line SUV, 150 PS. Now the car is a real standout and it has a decent spec, including an anti-lock braking system, front and rear parking sensors, a multi-collision braking system, a forward collision warning system, a voice control system, and these 18-inch 5-spoke Y design alloy wheels. The boot is huge and it's incredibly spacious as well. The interior has a 7-inch colour MMI screen, an Audi smartphone interface, and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into GTI World.